Hello, I'm Larry Lipsey, Senior Sales Manager here at INFiLED. We're having a blast here at LDI. It's been great talking to our customers and introducing them to our latest products. A lot of the products I'm going to show you today, you'll see that INFiLED is continuing to set the trend in the LED video industry with many exclusive products and technology breakthroughs. Our primary screen is actually 3 series. It's our Deep Black DB mk, our Xmark III 1.5, and our Mag Cube 1.5. They're all made same batch, so they look perfectly together, and they're designed to mechanically and electronically work together. They actually all share the same PDU, and the pixel pitch starts at a 1.5 and goes all the way to a 2.6. Our 1.5 and the 1.9 pitch, we added a glue on board. It's a smooth coating to the modules, which makes it extremely robust, yet fully serviceable. I welcome you to come to our website at www.infiled.com. That's INFiLED.